Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose and we're back with another video. Alright, so for today's video, we're doing this look here. I had to play in some glitters. I got some new glitters and you know, I just haven't been using them. So we played in some glitter, we did some cut crease. You guys know I love my glitter and cut crease. So that's what we did today. This video is going to be a voiceover just because it was noisy and I was watching TV, so yeah. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Turn that post notification bell on so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials. Comment down below, let's chat. Let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see on my channel or products that you may want to see me review. I'll do that for you guys as well. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Twitter, where I'm mostly on all day. Now, let's stop talking and let's just get to the tutorial. Alright you guys, so brows are done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Crayon Case Highlight concealer, and I've been doing this step lately just so I don't have to bring my base up too high and then have like that really bright underbrow. So I just take a concealer that is more so my shade, like my normal skin shade, and the shade that I'm using is number 4. So I just carve out, you know, the brow to clean it up, and then I'm gonna go in with my ABH primer today. I just take a pea-sized amount that's just enough for one eye, and I believe I'm taking an ABH brush as well, and I'm just pretty much patting it all over the lid and blending it out how I want it to be. So we're going to go in with the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to go in that first shade, and that's going to be in our crease. And you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but for me, I just know how I am. But I don't know, the brush that I was using was not packing the pigment how I wanted it to pack, and it just was making it very patchy, and I just don't like that. I don't like that at all. I've used this palette plenty of times before and I never had issues with the shadows, so I know for a fact that definitely was not the shadows. It was definitely the brush, because for the other eye, actually So the next one, I'm going to go in with that pink shade, and we're going to put her above and start to blend too. And you guys already know, as always, I go back and forth within the shades to make sure that everything is nice and blended, and for whatever pigment we lost from the first shade, we put it right back in. So after the pink shade, I'm going to use the yellow shade in the palette, and then I'm going to blend that to the brow bone. So you guys want to see that. So off camera, I just cleaned off any shadow that was on the lid. That way it didn't mix in with the base. I'm going to take the ABH base again to cut the crease. And you guys, I was so happy with this eye when I cut it. Like, it just came out so perfect. The other eye, as always, gives me such a hard time. Like, you're gonna see, like, my lash was wonky. Like, I felt like the blending was just not there for the other eye. It's always my bad eye, I swear. But this eye just did wonders for me, and I'm so happy. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, just perfection. So I just go ahead and I cut the crease, and then we're gonna go in with glitter. So I use 3 glitters from the Glow Up Academy. My son is so rude right now. And I just mixed them, and I'm gonna use my Glitter Cosmetics glitter glue to go ahead and apply the glitter. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with foundation, and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. I haven't used this in so long, you guys, and I forgot how good it was. Like, I just love it. It's so like lightweight, makes my skin look so glowy and natural, and just it's perfect. And the coverage is good too. And I'm in the shade 206, by the way. So I go ahead and set out my face, and then I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer, and I use the shade C12. Concealer blends like a dream. I swear it blends so freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and go in together. So lashes are on, and the lashes that I am using is Tati lashes, and these are the Mitchell lashes. If you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but with the your left eye is actually my right eye, but that one, the lash, it's a lot lower on the outer corner than straight like the other end. I don't know, it was just a wonky lash there, okay, so don't judge me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take Jeffree Star's powder, and this is in the shade beige, and then I go in with the J-Cat Beauty Aquasurance foundation powder in the shade natural to pretty much set the entire face. So for bronzer and blush, bronzer I use ABH Saddle, and then I am gonna use the blush trio in Peachy Love, and I use the middle shade. And then I highlight with So Hollywood Loose Highlighting Powder. And then we go in with the lips. I'll come back when we're to lips. Okay, so we're now at lips, and I line my lips with ColourPop's BFF3 lip liner. It's like the best lip liner ever. It's like such a perfect shade, I swear it is. And then I am going to go in with 2 of Jeffree Star lip glosses. I am using this one, which is something glossiness. I'm bad at things, you guys. But that one is super pretty. Look how pigmented it is. Like, oof. But then I go in with this one, which is Legends Only. This one is Legends Only, and I use that in the center of the lip. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow me on all my other socials.